So let us see what is the difference between a weather and a climate. So I hope you understood what is climate. Climate is nothing but when you are studying about the weather of a particular place for a longer period of time, for many years, and you are studying about the related factors that is getting affected because of change of weather, and you are studying about it for a longer time, you come to know about the climate of that particular region. Climate is nothing but it is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. So the atmospheric condition that is dominating over all other condition is our climate. So I can tell that weather is for short duration. Weather is only for a short duration, whereas climate is for longer duration. Climate is for longer duration. Second, you can say it is for a small area. When I'm talking about weather, the weather will be same for a smaller area, whereas the climate will be same for a larger area. The climate will be same for larger area. The weather will be same for the smaller area, whereas the climate will be same for the larger area. The climate changes continuously. The climate changes continuously, right? Whereas the weather changes continuously, whereas the climate will not change continuously. It is a very slow process, children. It is a very slow process. So this is what is the difference between weather and the climate. I hope it's clear. When now today's weather is very hot. It's very hot today. That means I'm talking about the weather. When I'm saying Mumbai's climate is generally humid, that is I'm talking about the climate, which is a general version that I'm talking, a general comment I'm giving for a particular place, which is studied, which I have made the conclusion after studying for many years. Then comes your climate. The day-to-day changes in the atmospheric condition is your weather. I hope it's clear to you, children, right? Now, do you know something? This climatic condition of a particular place plays a very important role in the basic needs like your food, clothing, shelter. It plays a very important role in all this, the basic needs of the people. What plays an important role? The climatic condition of a particular place. It plays an important role in different basic factors like food, clothing and shelter. You can take an example. The people who are staying in Kashmir, how is the cloth they are wearing? Can they wear short clothes? They always cover their body fully. Why? Because it is highly cold over there. Whereas the people who are staying in Rajasthan and all, can you imagine them wearing full clothes every day? No. Why? Because there the climate is very hot. So according to the climate, the clothing changes. Even the food is the staple food of different places is different. Why? It also depends upon the climatic conditions. Why depends upon the climatic condition, children? Because the crops that is growing there, that completely depends upon the climatic condition of that particular place. So when the climatic condition is changing, automatically the food that the people are eating will also change, because it depends upon the crop that is grown over there. Shelter. Again, the shelter, you will see that the different places, the houses, the construction house also is different. Everywhere you will not find a flat system. Why? It also completely depends upon the climatic condition of that particular place. Children, it's not only that. The different climatic factors, which are the climatic factors we have just seen, the factors which are getting affected by the climate and the weather. The different climatic factors like your atmospheric pressure, wind, the flow of the wind, the temperature, these things are considered, different climatic conditions, different climatic factors are considered before the construction of your runways. You know what are runways? Your airports, runways, seaports, different bridges, skyscrapers. So the people, when they want to construct all these things, they have to study the climatic condition of that particular area. They have to study about the different climatic factors of that particular region or that particular place for construction of all these runways, seaports, bridges, skyscrapers, etc. So these climatic conditions, they play a very important role in the lifestyle of the people, in the, as I told you, food, clothing and shelters, even the the formation of oceanic currents, water cycle, the weathering of rocks. All these things depends upon the climatic conditions. It completely depends upon the climatic conditions. Even the microorganisms that are growing in the soil, that also depends upon the climatic conditions. I hope children you understood what is the difference between the weather and the climate. Again, weather is the atmospheric condition at a specific time and at a particular place. And these are the factors which are affected because of the weather, which gets affected because of the weather. And what is a climate? Climate is the study of the weather for a long duration, for many years. When we are studying about a particular place, the weather over there and the different factors that are getting affected because of the changing weather, that gives rise to the, then we can talk about the climate of that particular place. So this is the difference between the weather and the climate. The climatic conditions plays a huge role in the food, clothing and shelter of that particular place. Right children? In your textbook, if you are going to see, we have gone through page number 96 children. So you can see page number 96, you can read this. These are the weather related or climatic factors that changes because of change in weather and climate. So you can go through it. These are the how the climatic factors affects the place, how it brings about the changes in the, how much important is the weather for the living world. As I told you, it affects the food, clothing, shelter, then human lifestyle is changes, oceanic currents, water cycle also depends upon the climatic factors, then weathering of rocks, all these things, even the soil's enrichment, fertilized soil, that also depends upon the climatic condition of that particular place. So children, you can go through the first page and the second page is this table. Okay, so please go through. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Try to answer the questions which I'll be giving you. Thank you.